Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Genie Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about year ended 2025, remembering celebrities. Film industry lost this year from Rabindra to Satisha. Remember the icons we lost in 2025 from Dharmendra to Sulakshana, Pandit and Asrani, and the lasting legacy they left in Indian cinema and entertainment, written by Sina Kokiwala, entertainment journalist, updated on 12 December 2025. The year was difficult for the Indian entertainment industry as it lost several respected personalities from film, television, music, and advertising. These stars left behind timeless work that continues to inspire audiences. Here is our look at the celebrities who passed away in this year and the legacies they built over decades. Dharmendra, veteran actor Dharmendra passed away on 24 November in Mumbai. The 89-year-old star, known as Bollywood's He-Man, was celebrated for classics like Sholay, Sita or Geeta, Phool or Patthar, among others. He was hospitalized on 10 November due to breathlessness and was later discharged, but his health continued to decline. His death was mourned widely by fans and the film fraternity. Sulkrishna Pandit, actress and playback singer Sulkrishna Pandit passed away on 6 November at the age of 71. She was known for films such as Origin, Apnapan and Khandan. A prominent face of the 1970s and 80s, she worked with Rajesh Khanna, Vinod Khanna and Shashi Kapoor. Fans across India remembered her contributions to cinema and music. Satesh Shah, veteran actor Satesh Shah, best known as Indravedan Sarabhai from Sarabhai was Sarabhai, passed away at 75 on October 25th. He was also appreciated for his role in Hum Saath Saath Hain and Main Hoon Na. His comic timing made him one of India's most loved television and film personalities. Govardhan Asrani, legendary actor Asrani passed away on 20 October at the age of 84. With a career spanning over 5 decades, he entertained audiences through films like Sholay, Khatta Meetha Awara, Pagal Deewana, and Bhool Bhulaiya. Bhool Bhulaiya. Known for his expressive performances, Asrani remained adored across generations. Shefali Joriwala, actress Shefali Joriwala passed away on 27 June at the age of 42. She became a pop culture icon with the hit track Kaanta Laga and also acted in stated that she passed away following a cardiac arrest, leaving fans shocked. Zubeen Kras, singer and composer Zubeen Garg passed away on in 19 September in Singapore at the age of 52. He was known for his multilingual work in Assamese, Bengali, and Hindi. Popular tracks like Janmani, Dure, and Panchana remain favorites among his fans. His sudden demise saddened the music community nationwide. Piyush Pandey, advertising icon Piyush Pandey passed away at the age of 70 on 24 October. He shaped India's advertising scene with some of the most memorable campaigns. Reports said he passed away after a prolonged illness. The industry still remembers him for his creative storytelling and leadership. Manoj Kumar, actor Manoj Kumar, fondly known as Prat Kumar, passed away on 4th April at the age of 87, beginning his journey in 1957. He delivered classics such as Purab or Pachim, Roti, Kapra or Makan and Kranti. His patriotic films shaped an entire era of Hindi cinema. Zarin Khan. Zain Khan passed away on 7 November at the age of 81. She had a brief but memorable presence in Bollywood before moving on to interior design, where she created luxurious spaces for civil celebrities. She was remembered lovingly by her family and fans. Pankaj Deer. Actor Pankaj Deer passed away on 15 October. Apart from being known for playing Karuna in Mahabharata, he was also seen in many films and television shows. His demise left the industry grieving the loss of a respected performer. Rishabh Tandon. Singer and composer Rishabh Tandon passed away on 21st October after a major heart attack. His popular songs included Chantu, Fakir Ki Zubani, and Ye Aashki. Fans remembered him for his soulful musical style. Rajveer, Javanda, Jaswinder Bala, also year under 2025 from Kyra Advani to Katrina Kaif, actors who embraced motherhood for the first time. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.